Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a derm-approved nighttime skincare routine for every skin type and budget. So let's get it started. Step 1. Remove your makeup. The cardinal sin of skincare is sleeping in your makeup, and most of the time a cleanser isn't sufficient to get it all off. Beginning your nighttime regimen with a mild makeup remover is advised by Dr. Anna Guanche. Step 2. Use a gentle cleanser. According to Carl Thornfeld, MD, a practicing dermatologist and the creator of the skincare line Everyone's, a mild cleanser that won't strip your face of natural oil and disturb your skin's microbiota, create irritation, is crucial, regardless of your skin type. Step 3. Toner. Of all the skincare processes, toner is perhaps the most contentious because people either love it or hate it. For what it's worth, Raphaelov supports the good side of the toner argument. She says, I advise using toner because it helps calibrate the skin, it helps balance pH levels and moisture levels, particularly for people who are prone to having oilier skin. Step 4. Treatment. Of all the skincare processes, toner is perhaps the most contentious because people either love it or hate it. For what it's worth, Raphaelov supports the good side of the toner argument. She says, I advise using toner because it helps calibrate the skin, it helps balance pH levels and moisture levels, particularly for people who are prone to having oilier skin. Step 5. Eye cream. Eye creams aren't entirely useless. When utilized as a kind of preventative care, they're helpful because they target the delicate skin around your eyes. Step 6. Moisturize. The final recommendation from Thornfeld is a skin barrier repairing moisturizer to help rejuvenate the health of the skin. Choose a moisturizing product that won't clog your pores, in other words. Hyaluronic acid helps your skin retain moisture, therefore we love products that contain it. Optional, mask. If you have the time and want to treat yourself, think about using a mask once or twice a week after cleansing and before moving on to the rest of your nightly regimen. Consider applying a moisturizing mask if your skin is dry, or a clay mask if your face is oily. There is a mask for just about every skin issue. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.